Okay, guys, we're gonna take one of these candle holder, and we're also gonna take this plastic ball, and they come in clear like that. We're gonna spray paint them in gold or whatever color you guys want to do. Then after that, I'm gonna place it upside down. I'm gonna take my candle holder, and I'm gonna put some hot glue around it on the candle holder, and then attach it like that in the middle. Just hold it down, and then just go ahead and flip it around. You could spray paint the whole thing, but this one I use it for another one. That's why it has white, and that part it won't show. Then I'm going to take this candle holder, I'm going to put some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach it to the side. And then I'm going to take another candle holder, I'm going to put hot glue as well, and then I'm going to attach it next to it like that. Then we're going to grab another candle holder, put some hot glue, and we're going to attach it in the middle right there. Then after that, just hold it into place until it attached. Then I'm going to take one of this floral foam, but I'm going to take a piece and I'm going to cut it into a small pieces like that. Just cut it into half and then place it on the side. And then we're going to just continue cutting more pieces and just putting it all the way around it. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and place some hot glue. Make sure to put enough and then attach it to the side just like that until you do the whole thing around it. Then I'm going to grab these green leaves they have in Dollar Tree. I'm just going to take it apart. I'm gonna take some toothpick, put a little bit of hot glue, and then attach it in the middle, and then attach it to the fluorofoam like that. So just we're just gonna continue doing this until we do the whole thing. Then I also got these cute little red beads they have in Dollar Tree, and we're just gonna place it in there. And the way that you guys gonna do it, just put a little bit of hot glue like that, and then attach it to the leaf so then it won't fall apart. Then I'm gonna take this green candle and place one by one in there until I put all three of them. And the way that I attach is just go ahead, put a little bit of hot glue in the candle holder, and then put the candle on top and then just attach it into place. Then I'm gonna take these ribbons. They also have this in Dollar Tree. You don't have to put the ribbon. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a cute little ball in the front. Just go ahead and tie it and make your ball like that. Then after that, just cut the extra pieces, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. It turns out so cute and it's so simple that you guys can do at home. And the good thing about this DIY that is so inexpensive and easy that you guys can do. Now we're gonna move on into the next DIY. So for the next idea, we're gonna grab the same candle holder and we're gonna use one of these white plates. I'm gonna put some hot glue around it as well, and then I'm going to flip around the plate, and then just the same way I did the other one, I'm gonna attach it in the middle, just like that. Just hold it into place until it attaches. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it around again, and we're gonna use the same thing with the other candle holder. This one is like a smaller version of the other one. Instead of three, we're gonna have one candle, but this one we're gonna place a small mirror, and then you can put here whatever you guys have available that you like little houses for Christmas, whatever you guys have that available, just attach it to the middle like that. Then I'm gonna take one of this fishbowl and I'm gonna put a little bit of the snow inside. Then I'm gonna put my hot glue and attach and put a hot glue all the way around the fishbowl like that, and then attach the mirror inside like that so it could turns out like that, you guys. Then after that, I'm gonna put some hot glue in the candle holder and then just place the middle on top and attach it into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take one of these lights and I'm just gonna take some greenery, just put some greenery around it and just place it inside the ball like that, just to cover the whole thing. You could put red thing, a little bit of gold, whatever you guys have. Then go ahead and grab your lights and then just spread it all the way around it like that. Put your candle on top, and here you can leave it as that, or you could do a ball on the bottom. And this is how cute you guys it turns out, so simple and easy that you guys can do at home. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite, number one or this one, number two. Let's not forget to comment and follow. Thanks again for watching.